This video will help guide you through the safe practices of working with Triflex materials during the COVID-19 pandemic. For additional information, please refer to the links in the description. Specific site risk assessments should be developed to control social distancing and good hygiene. As with any delivery to site, planning is important. When receiving a Triflex delivery, ensure there is a safe drop-off area allowing for social distancing. Your driver will either provide access to the materials for unloading and step back, or for smaller deliveries, the materials will be placed in the safe drop-off area. Delivery notes and pens will not need to be exchanged. Your driver will maintain a 2-metre social distance and either ask for a name and record this on the delivery note for you, or take an image of the delivered package. When handling any package, materials or tools, the contact points should be sanitised with suitable antibacterial wipes. Used packaging should be disposed of using appropriate on-site facilities, and you should wash or sanitise your hands once handling is complete. Hands should always be washed in accordance with NHS guidance. When working with Triflex materials, each installer should have their own set of personal protective equipment. This generally includes a hard hat, gloves, glasses or goggles, safety boots, long trousers, and long-sleeved clothing. Site conditions or risk assessments may also require the use of an appropriate face mask. The use of and disposal of PPE should be covered in the site risk assessments. Hard materials such as hard hats, glasses and goggles should be wiped with antibacterial wipes prior to and after use. Gloves should only be donned and removed after all other items of PPE. After the removal of gloves, hands should be thoroughly washed or sanitised. Tools should not be shared on site. Each installer should have access to their own tools, which should be wiped with antibacterial wipes before and after use. Any material, container or tools should be sanitised before being placed back into storage and sanitised once again before being reused. When working in teams, a minimum of 2-metre social distancing should always be maintained. Ideally, the same teams and personnel should be used to minimise and control potential exposure. For up-to-date information on handling and working with Triflex during the COVID-19 pandemic, visit triflex.co.uk/coronavirus.